welcome to the video, guys. Today we are looking at growing your business with Facebook ads. A lot of you know me as Jaysam Architects. When I'm not in the site or when I'm not drawing, I normally grow systems and businesses for people. So I'm going to show you how we do this. So today we are looking at Facebook ads, and I'm using an example of an ebook we created that we are selling for the rate of 10,000 naira. You can see it on Seller. So this ebook is posted on Seller. It's about exportation. People who want to export from Nigeria abroad. So it gives them a detailed guide. So this is just an example of what our product is. You might be selling fashion, you might be selling real estate, you might be selling you might be a travel agency or any other thing. So you have to pick a valuable product that you have. You can be selling solar, you can be selling anything, land. So what we did is we set up a simple landing page to get visitors into that, which is what we did here on this website. So we have Chef London here. So here is the ebook. So we actually gave out a free magnet. A free magnet is like a kind of free details on exportation, or a kind of free class which they organized on WhatsApp. So this is a kind of landing page. This is what we call a landing page. So when you run the ads, the people come to this page, they click here. This button here is being tracked to get customers data. So anybody who comes from Facebook, here to click on this website, click on this link, the person is being tracked. So that is the idea behind this. Yeah, so here is a landing page. So we set up the landing page. Number 3, we target the right audience, people interested in certain things. For example, for our ebook, which is about exportation, people who are interested in this ebook are mostly people who are interested in earning in dollars. Yet we are able to know our audience. These people are interested in dollars. Most of them are interested in logistics. Most of them also are interested in traveling. Since they are interested in dollar, that means they also have a high interested in anything traveling or shipping, all those type of things. So how do we target those people? Here on our Facebook manager, you can see from one of our assets, we're able to use this to target people on Facebook. So you can see how much were we spending a day. We're spending 5,000 naira per day. So we got so we were able to reach 5,000 people, setting our audience and our budget at 5,000 naira per day. So this is one of the, let's go for people. Also, people are interested in trading. So this is how we determine audience. So we looked at the people who are interested in certain things. For say somebody is interested in earning in dollars, what will be their interest? Most of them are likely to be traders, people who are into all this forex trading, stock trading, crypto trading. So we were able to target them, and our location was Nigeria. If you are selling real estate or you want to advertise to people abroad your product, you might change the location now to United States. If you're in Australia, if you're in Germany, say United Arab, so you can change your location to that. But since our audience is mostly Nigerian who are interested to earn in dollar, and exportation is one of the business that is going to guarantee them to earn in dollar, we just kept our location in Nigeria. So if you wanted people in UK or London, you type United States, you see United Kingdom, I can select United Kingdom, but that's not the goal for our marketing. So we have other people who are interested in air freight, that is shipment, all this shipping. So we still able to get them. So you can see we targeted their interest. People who are interested in wealth, people who are business minded, small business owners. So we targeted what they will be interested in. So that is what we mean by target the right audience. People interested in different things. Like for me now, I like watching football. I like sports. So if you create an ad that maybe you're selling football boots and you target me, I'm likely to actually buy that product, a football boot or a football jersey, because I like sports. I'm a Chelsea fan. So if you target me with a Chelsea jersey, you're selling clothes and you target me something that has Chelsea on it, I'm most likely to buy from you. So then we measure cost per lead. So for the ad we ran, we actually have a number of people who have signed up to what we are trying to sell, which was our ebook. So for this, we were able to have 132 people to join the group actually, which we were actually promoting. So we had 132 people to come to this website, click this link and join the group. Here you can see the group. You can see this one joined via this one joined via this. So that is the idea behind this. So this product we are selling, this ebook, is actually valued at 10,000 naira. So let's do the mathematics. So if we get 132 people to buy at a 10,000 naira rate, that gives us a total of 1.3 million naira for a 10,000 naira product. You might be selling real estate, you might be selling you might be a travel agency. Facebook ads works also for any kind of businesses, you get. So this is just an ebook example, which means for any kind of physical product it can work. So this is how you use Facebook ads for your business to make money and sales. So you might be wondering, why are we using WhatsApp for our conversion? Is because WhatsApp enables us to have these people like we're able to reach them anytime we want, whereas via the Facebook pixel that we installed here, we will only reach these people if we are running a kind of retargeting ad campaign. So this is kind of advanced stuff for people who are maybe a bit advanced in marketing. But this what you can able to do with Facebook ads. You can see how much did you spend to be able to acquire 132 people to join our WhatsApp group. This is only for 2 days that we did this. So if we keep it for a week, we may actually get more, because our aim for this group is to have up to 1,000 or 900 people join this group at the end of the week. So how much have we spent? We have spent 34,295 naira to have people to join the group. So each person is joining at the rate of 259 naira, which you can see here. So when we sell a 10,000 naira product, to 132 people, then we are sure to make up to 1.3 million after spending 34,000 naira on ad spend. So this is how you use Facebook ads to grow your business. Anytime, any day. If you find it useful, kindly like the video and also share to your friends and family. You also make use of the information you have found here. If you're a business owner, do not forget to use Facebook advertisement to grow your business. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.